Okay, so I'm going to keep it pretty simple and just show you. So Elementor is already installed on my website here. And basically I have Astra theme, which is very, very simple theme. I do have Astra Pro, but I don't think I'm using that many of the Pro modules. I'm mostly using Elementor. And basically just the way it works is you build the site visually. So if I want to add any elements, I just drag them from here into there. And it's super intuitive. You can just like right click to delete, and these are all basic elements. We've got dividers, spacers, etc. These are all the pro elements. So I think it's really important to have these because up here it's pretty basic. Images, text, etc. If I just want to drag text in there, okay, I can go there. Oh yeah, I can make rows. I can click to edit here, just delete. And if I want to add extra rows or columns, I would just click here. I would click this, and I would select my structure. What is this one? Folder. Oh, I think you can upload pre-saved. Oh yeah, you can upload templates. So the theme builder comes with a ton of different templates. Astra Pro comes with better ones actually, but you can upload any of these. There's billions, just like Avada. The ones on, I think I closed the window. The ones on Astra Pro are really, really good, but that one is like extra money too. Or sorry, it's extra Astra starter sites. So basically, looking at more things you can add in. Yeah, let's say you wanted to add a price list. Boom, just put it in here. And I think there's different ways that you can, in here is where you would edit, like the style, the typography, all the things for, I think you can make this columns versus rows probably. I'm not sure. I'd have to play with all these different things. Let's see what else there is. There's a ton. I just installed the Elementor like Special Pro. So there's extra things than I had before. Like this is all new, I think. Test running carousel. Yeah, so that's just kind of idea of how it goes. It's very visual, which I like. You just do it all right on the page, which is the same that Divi had, but this isn't like as messy nearly as Divi was. It's very straightforward. There's a portfolio, and you could just like add in. You just have to get to know the side builder up here, which is where you would edit everything. So it's just a different system. Maybe I could show you the Astra Pro sites. I don't know if that would be helpful, but I don't want this video to get too long. This is just basically how it works. It goes like there, and then, okay, so let's say I want to go back to dashboard and leave. I'll show you if you use Astra. Premium sites, they look like this. Oops. Sorry if it's loud. I'm in a co-working session with, so then you use Elementor. So Astra is the theme that you use with Elementor. And this is the Pro, so it comes with a bunch of extras, and I really like some of them. Check this one out. Hold on. I really like the freelancer one. It's almost distracting. It makes me want to just start a new like freelance site. So I can just install this and have my site look like this. It's fucking awesome. It's just a one-page site. Wait, what is that? It's kind of ghetto. Okay. It's like all fucking cool like that. Oh, boom. Just make it, yeah. I think it would come with the font and everything like that. And that one you just need Astra Pro, widgets, Elementor, all these things. So, I don't know. There's a bunch of other cool ones in here. This is where I got the idea for the website in a week. Okay, look at this. I could just build the website using this theme. Like, website in a week. This is website in 5 days. Boom, 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 boom. It's just like, so easy. Just a specific website building thing. I don't know. So, I like that, but Elementor is the main one that I want to show you, and the theme itself is very basic, but yeah, I hope that helps. Okay, wait. Yeah, so it's the same up here. When you visit the site, you just click Edit with Elementor, and that's when all the stuff comes up. You can edit it on the back end, like the very simple way with Astro Theme, but you wouldn't want to. Because the page builder is all visually right here, and you just do it. So, alright, hope that helps, my dear. I love you.